Alright, this time we're going to show you a firm that's minimizing its losses but should stay open. Okay, notice what's different about this graph. Where Mr. DARP comes across is between the lowest ATC and the lowest AVC. Okay, when we go through our 4 steps to maximizing profits, we first find where MR equals MC. Marginal cost curve hits the marginal revenue curve, or Mr. DARP here. Next, we drop down our anchor line to indicate the quantity on the quantity axis. Next, we look back up to our demand curve, and over at the price axis, we draw the price. Okay, the 4th step is to calculate profits, or in this case, it's going to be losses, because along our anchor line, we have to look up to see where the average total cost curve is. Okay, so make sure that that anchor line goes straight up along the same line as the quantity until it hits the average total cost curve. Do not veer off that point. Okay, from there, we're going to pull across a line over to our price axis, and we're going to see that the number that would be the average total cost would be higher than the price. So in this case, we have a firm that's earning losses because the price is less than the average total cost. Okay, the reason why this is loss minimizing is that this firm should stay open. Okay, when we look down to find our average variable cost, although that has nothing to do with our calculations, it tells us that this firm is making losses, but its losses are less than its total fixed costs. Remember that the total fixed costs exist when we produce 0 items, so if this firm is losing less than its total fixed costs, it's still better off to stay open, because if it shuts down, it has to pay the total fixed costs. Okay, so what we want to do is to now show the area of loss. What we're going to do is we're going to shade in the box between our anchor line where it hits the price and the average total cost all the way over to the price axis. Okay, we're going to shade in that entire area. It's going to be a rectangle with its far right side being the anchor line, its far left side being the price axis, the top being the average total cost, and the bottom being the Mr. DARP. That is loss minimizing.